How to install a subdomain on SeekaHost.App. First go over to your sites list. Then select the site that you want to add a subdomain to. Click on the blue Action cog button. From here, head down to subdomains. First, you're going to need to choose a prefix for your subdomain. This goes up in the top line. And this will show before the domain. Next, select a blog category. You can create a different blog category from the left-hand side. Then add a blog title that will suit your subdomain. Choose whether it's visible and whether you want to use the same IP address as your domain. Next, you need to select the hosting package that you're going to use for it. If you don't have another hosting package, head over to the left-hand side where it says Hosting Plans, and select another hosting package to host your subdomain on. Once you're ready, select the hosting package. Scroll down, accept the terms and conditions, and add your blog. This will now get added to your blog list. Please wait a moment for the blog list to load up. Once loaded, it will show as online. However, the padlock for the SSL certificate isn't active yet. Head over to the Action button on the right hand side. To enable your SSL certificate, head up to where it says SSL on the top right. Now enable your SSL certificate. Once enabled, you can head back to your blog page. As you can see, it is now loaded up. As you can see from the preview on the little window. To get the details to log in, go over to WP Users. On the top, you're going to find your admin username and password. Copy the username and copy the password. You can copy it by pressing the green copy button. Then head over back to your blog page and go to Site Login to go to the URL to log into your subdomain. Fill in your username and password and click Login. You're now logged in to your new blog hosted on a subdomain.